And then on this side, when you open it up, you have a pocket to tuck something in, or maybe put a journal card or something in there to say, hey, you're amazing, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's just an idea. No one said you had to do it. I'll show you once I have the cover done. And once I have the cover done, we had on third base. Is it third base? We had second base. Third base will be adding the signatures. Well, no, third base will be adding some stamping, some detail to the pages. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Okay, I just had to turn the camera on because what I'm doing right now, what I did not show you is that I have this little frame, right? This cute little frame. I've gone ahead and stitched around the edges of it. Now, here is that cardboard that I have covered with some extra fabric. And this die cut actually comes from Hobby Lobby. If you see this I should say. Where is it? Here we go. If you see this die cut set at Hobby Lobby, grab it. They've got really beautiful little sets in there that you'll like. And so there's plenty to work with, but there wasn't a lot of colors that kind of went. The person who's going to be receiving this, my family member, she's not like, we're from the city. So we a little chic, a little urban. And so I couldn't do too much floral, couldn't do too much. So I just used this frame, which goes well with it, and backed it a little bit to make it sturdy so that when I sew it, it'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adhere it to this with a little bit of this glue stick, like so. Bear with me. Forgive me for the background noise. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand. It does not necessarily need to be done like that. Okay, so we got that. And then I am going to put this here like so. And then I will take it, let this sit for a second. Then, let me pull that up a little bit. Oopsie. Put this on the sewing machine. I am not going to, what I'm going to do next is figure out, because I have added some flowers. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one. I'm not going to keep these plain. I intend to do a little something like I did on another journal. Where the heck is it? All right, like I did this one. If you look closely, you will see that this is a wooden one, just like this. This is wooden, and I covered it using, I think it's a Tim Holtz something or the other. The Ranger Mixed Media Powder. You don't see a lot of this. Well, at least I don't. Now I got to figure out, I'm going to do a trial run on it because I can't even, it's been so long since I did this one. But I actually love the way that turned out. And this is my YouTube composition notebook that I'm in all the time. Anyways, well, whenever I'm filming or ideas. So I just cover that with this. And then you get that marbly cement-like texture. So that is what I'll be doing with these. And then they will go, which is her initials, they will go in the center here. And then I think, I'm not sure, this is a bit much. That feels like a bit much. I have another one that I just did earlier today. And then I'll put a some type of embellishment in the inside. I'm not sure if I want to do a pearl or a rhinestone. We shall see. And then I've got that butterfly. That looks like it's getting to be a bit much, so I probably won't use that. But let's see where we're at so far. Oh wait, also, I've gone ahead and used the scrap fabrics what I did was I just used the glue stick and adhered them together. And then I sewed them at the point where they meet. Why? Because I'm going to sew this in place. It's already put down. This is the center, but it's already glued down with a glue stick. The reason why I use a glue stick is because I don't want heavy glue when I'm using my sewing machine. I don't want that stuff clogging up the sewing machine. So this is where we're at right now. And then I'm going to go around the edge with the zigzag stitch. And the reason why I did this like this is because, remember, there's going to be a pocket here. And as things slide in, if I didn't sew this down, it would get caught and just be a pain in the behind. And then I did it the opposite way here. You see how this one overlaps this one, because the other pocket is going to go this way. So things are going to slide in this way, and then things are going to slide in this way. This pocket's going to be down here. Okay. All right. So now that we have that established, I don't want this to be too busy, because again, this is not for a junk journaler girl. This is for me. I mean, this is for a family member. There we go. It is not for me, so I can't be all extra. And everybody knows that I can make it real fabulously extra, but that's not what we're doing here. So do something like that, like there. Put a little pearl there, and I think that would be cute enough. I'm still contemplating if I want to do something in the back of here, but I don't want to do too much. I think this might work, especially once I get these texturized using this. Okay, so when I come back, this is 6 minutes worth of me contemplating, talking, chit-chatting, and patty-whacking. It's time for me to take this stuff off. And what I plan to do now at this point is do two things. I want to, and this is going to be a pocket, believe it or not. This is going to be a pocket. So in order for this to, I am going to have to, yeah. I might have to pull this up. It's glued down with this is why I used what I used. But yeah, I'll come back and I'll show you once I have the cover done. And once I have the cover done, it's we at on third base. I think, is it third base? We at second base. Third base will be adding the signatures. Well, no, third base will be adding some texture or some what do you call it? Stamping, some detail to the pages. And then the last but not least will be putting the signatures in and adding the closure, which that's not really my favorite part, the closure. It's not, because it can go real wrong real fast. All right, so that's the update for now, guys, and I will be back once I have everything in place for the cover, except for the, I guess maybe I should put the pockets in before I do anything else. Yeah. Well, wait a minute. While we're here, all this is happening with one hand. Bear with me, folks. Don't get testy now. All right, where are we at? Where are we at with those signatures? Okay, so we got the signatures. The signatures are all set to go. I did cut the edges off, so we do have them clean. Okay, so that's how I have it, where the first thing, I think this is going to be the first one, or should I, no, I think I want to go with that, and then the next one will be that, and then the last one will be that, or vice versa. We'll see which order it goes in. I don't think it matters, but I think the most important one is that she opens up and sees love. Okay, all right. So with that being said, this was just a short little catch-up session here. because I'm doing this in the morning time before I go to work and after I get finished with studying for class. But I think it's coming along really well. And then the one other thing that I'm still contemplating and trying to figure out is a dangle. And guess what else I found? Here we go. This is supposed to be a quick little update. You know, I'm just pulling out a bunch of random stuff, which I don't mind. All right, let me see. Where is it at in here? I just found it. I may have to repackage it because I made these a few years ago, but I think she might like these. Plus, they look so cute. They look so cute. They're earrings. I'm gonna go ahead and repackage them because this is like when I was. Oh, I don't even remember. This had to be about 5 years ago, but I made a few pairs, and I made a pair for myself. Well, I didn't make a pair for myself. I just wore a pair for myself and kept it. But yeah, aren't those adorable? Cute little turtles. Are we gonna? There we go. Good Lord. Can we focus, please? All right, that's enough. That's enough of me rambling and not doing nothing on this thing. Listen, until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, my friends and family, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Look at this stuff that I think I might want to use in it. Yeah, I bet you I won't use but a fifth of it. No, a half of a tenth. Is that a fifth? Anyways, bye. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.